Hi, we're Tim and Debbie from Vintage Food Farm. We have a self-sufficient property in Far North Queensland, Australia. We did have NBN and we had very bad internet. This is our internet uploads and downloads when we had NBN. And this is our internet uploads and downloads now that we have Starlink. So Starlink was fairly easy to install. The first thing you do is go online and order your kit, which is a hardware kit, which you pay a one-off fee for, and then you have a monthly fee that you pay. I'm not going to go through what we paid because it's already less than that, and I feel like the prices could change over time. So just so that you know, at the moment there is a one-off hardware fee and then an ongoing monthly fee. That monthly fee is more than what we were paying for NBN, but because we work from home and have a YouTube channel and have a gamer, a few gamers, we use a lot of internet all the time, so it's worked out really well for us. Starlink is a satellite internet. It is Elon Musk's satellite internet, so there are a lot of low orbiting satellites all going around the world that your little Starlink disc will connect with a clear view without any interruption from trees or buildings for best results, and that will give you really fast internet with hardly any lag or dropouts. Yeah, so much faster, high speed, which is fantastic. First thing that you do, you've ordered your kit arrives. Now, the kit comes with the Starlink, it comes with a leg mount and the cords and the modem. It does not come with a mounting bracket for the roof or the wall or your RV or four-wheel drive or caravan. So if you want anything other than the leg mount, which would sit on a flat surface, you need to order that separately. And I would suggest that you did that when you ordered the Starlink. We got a wall mount and we have mounted ours up on the side of the house level with the roof. As well as the kit, you will need to download the app from Play Store or App Store. The Starlink app is a calibrator, so it has a calibrator on it that you can walk around your property and work out where the clearest view is to mount your Starlink. So before your Starlink even gets there, you can walk around and find out where is the least obstruction from trees, buildings, power lines. Even on a cloudy day, it can interfere with it. Basically, using your phone, you find the most direct, unobstructed view to the satellite. And your phone can help you to do that. Once you have decided on the location, you need to make sure that you've got a wall mount or whatever you need if it is to be mounted up there and not on the ground, which I do recommend because we tried it on the ground first and then with the wall mount it was much better. But once you have mounted your wall mount on the wall, or if you're using the leg stand, you then plug one end of the cord into the bottom of the Starlink and then you attach it to the stand and then you take the cord in whatever way you want into your house or into whatever it is and you plug it into the modem. Now we went down the side of the house. You can see Tim is attaching the cord to the side of the wall, making sure it's not too tight so that it damages the cord fibres in any way. So he's going to take the cord right down the side of the house and then take it under the house and take it up to where the room is where we've got the modem. He is going to drill a hole up through the bottom of the floor so that he can poke the Starlink cord through and take it up to the modem where he will plug in the two cords, the power cord and the Starlink cord into the bottom of the modem. Once your Starlink is plugged into the power and to the modem, after a few minutes it will start to do a sky search mode where it searches for connection across the sky. This can take up to 15 minutes. You can actually see the Starlink moving around looking for the best position. Once it finds the best position, it will tilt and lock and that will be its position. The cord that they give you is 75 feet long, which is 22.85 metres. So you've actually got that distance between the base of your Starlink and wherever you're going to put the modem. But we actually found that to be quite good, and that worked fine for us. So that's it. That's how we installed our Starlink satellite internet in a rural area like this, where the internet goes down all the time. As long as we have power, so even if our power goes out, and we've got our generators or solar or battery, we can still have our Starlink going, which is really great, especially if there was a cyclone or some sort of natural disaster or something. And that's another thing, you can actually bring the Starlink inside if you had any sort of severe weather like a cyclone, so that it is available for you when you need it, when the power is back up or when you hit your generators on or whatever. If you are interested in becoming more self-sufficient, have a look at the other videos on our channel. If you feel like it, like and subscribe. But most importantly, stay calm in the farm.